Hi everyone, this is Max from Developer Websites, and in this video I want to show you how you can upload the media into your media library with Shopify. Okay, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave your donations with donation link in my channel. Okay, so you have Shopify website, and sometimes you need to upload media not into your theme, but you need to upload media to your media library. So where is this place? I always forget about it. So you should log into your Shopify dashboard, and from the left side click Content and click Files. Right here you can see all your files uploaded to Shopify. To upload some file, click Upload Files and select file you want to upload. To get URL from this file, you need to click this button, Copy Link, and it will paste the redirect, the link. And pretty simple. To see the image, you should click on it, and it will open in the big screen. When it's loaded, you can crop here, transform, resize, change some colors, write some alt text, change name, etc., which is pretty useful. Additionally, to get to this place, you can write in the search Files and click Files in the drop-down menu. And it will redirect you to the same place as I told before. Okay, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and have a nice day.